Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Bianca Langbahada has written, "No more Mr. Nice Guy. Ramaphosa fumes at DA disinformation." So Ramaphosa say, "No more Mr. Nice Guy now. I'll punish the DA." She eventually fired their minister, Mr. Whitfield, for visiting America. The president has launched a scathing attack against the Democratic Alliance. He claims the party is spreading disinformation regarding international relations. And what they're doing is wrong. All of them with their forum and everyone else. If we have problems, we need to solve them inside the country. Not to go and tell your forefathers, your forefathers land about Grandpa and about Donald Trump and go to Europe. Why don't you just pack your bags and go to Europe if not happy in South Africa? How? Just pack your bags. That's what happened during the apartheid years. Abu Ortam, they just packed their bags and they left and they lived in London, and they claimed to fight for everyone else. But they were there studying, some of them, spreading misinformation. But you guys don't have to do that. Again, we're living in a democratic society. So it's easy for you to have channels here in the country. Fight while inside the country. Not go around the country and kill our economy, but we still have many people who are poor, and you holding to all the economy. The economy is still in the white hands, and still you guys don't want to release it, and you want to go to America and tell the Americans that you guys are being attacked, which is a big lie. The DA claimed that Washington DC deemed President Ramaphosa's special envoy to the United States, Mcebisi Jonas, unwelcomed. Ramaphosa dismissed the claim, saying they were a deliberate attempt to embarrass the envoy. DA claims the US denied Jonas diplomatic visa. In a statement, the DA, a member of the Government of National Unity, claimed that the US denied Jonas diplomacy visa in May this year. The DA also claimed that the US government rejected Jonas' credentials, and Ramaphosa was urged to appoint an alternative envoy. In response, the presidency clarifies that special envoy do not present diplomatic credentials to host countries in the same manner as formal designated heads of mission or other accredited diplomats. The presidency also clarifies that Jonas' outreach does not supersede the leading role played by the Department of Trade, Industry and Competition. The Department of International Relations and Cooperation, DECO. Ramaphosa criticized DA remarks, stating that the party tried to embarrass and belittle the country and Jonas. President accuses DA of exploiting critical engagement. The president further accused the DA of trying cheaply but dangerously to exploit the critical engagement between SA and the US. Ramaphosa suggested that the party's action may be a protest of the recent removal of DA Member of Parliament Andrew Whitfield as Deputy Minister of Trade and Industry and Competition. He also accused the DA of aligning itself with the right-wing interests, saying the party insults foreign governments and international organizations. According to Ramaphosa, should the DA succeed in undermining international relations, it would endanger local businesses and the livelihood of those whose jobs depend on global trade partnership. Yeah, what I see in this thing, in this partnership between the DA and the ANC, the DA doesn't want to be in the Government of National Unity. Even the ANC, Abu Ramaphosa don't want the DA in the National Unity, but they somehow in this relationship that they don't want to be there, both of them. So the question is, who's forcing these people to be in this partnership? The business, or who's forcing these people? Because clearly they're not working in same opposite. They directly oppose one another all the time. They're not working in the same direction. They don't have the same interest. They don't have the same policies. They don't agree on anything. But they're in this partnership, which is not moving anyway. Hi guys, please comment down below, to subscribe, like, let us grow the page.